Greetings to my fellow subscribers who not subscribe yet, subscribe to my channel right now. No. Anyways guys, today I'm back in the kitchen again. I'm gonna cook some brown stew chicken, boiled dumpling, banana, and probably 2 Irish. I don't think we have much Irish, but I'm gonna use them I have. I'm gonna cook tomorrow, so I'm gonna use all of it. So I'm gonna make my dumplings and let it go and set until I season up my meat. Yeah guys, so stay tuned.
Salmon chicken. Salmon chicken tonight. Salmon chicken. Please.
Baby, mommy. Yes.
Shall we taste? We can taste it.
No, it's not about tasting it.
Smell nice, mommy. Put it on it. No, you just like one egg. Only white, just like one white egg. Sometimes soy water for you. Soy water for you. Soy water.
See much hot water for me, bro.
Tell your dumpling. Dumpling not my favorite. Wipe a dumpling. Wipe a dumpling. Sunny, eat more water. No. I know I got. I saw the video. And do some with my mom. Honey, there's a knife here.
Put me fruity.
Some with me. Do something for you.
Thank you. And you can't tell me why they put me in the kitchen with me? About my piece?
Yeah. We don't play with this.
So that's my flour going to be set while I'm doing chicken now. Yeah. Guys, this is my chicken, fresh to wash and cut and clean. And this is my seasoning, my scallion, Irish, carrot, pepper, thyme, bell peppers, as in sweet pepper, onions, and tomato. Yes, and I'm gonna use black pepper and my chicken season and my sauce. Yes. Oh. I forgot about the browning and the brown stew I cook and I forgot about the browning. Talk truth. So adding my browning now, you don't need much. Going to add my onions, tomato, and the thyme, scallion, and the bell pepper, which is sweet pepper. Oh guys, the seasoning smells so good. Man, Everything put together smell nice, really good. And I'm gonna add my pepper. So I'm gonna mix it all together. Black pepper, some salt, mix it all together. So that's when the chicken is seasoned. So I'm gonna put it to marinate for about an hour, and I'll get back to you guys. So this is my pot for my dumpling, this is my pot for my chicken. But the dumpling pot soon boil up, so yeah, so I soon have to start put the dumpling in the pot. But I want to put the chicken in the pot first because I go angle the dumpling. I angle the dumpling, so I have to put the chicken in the pot first. So the dumpling pot finally boil. So I'm gonna add my dumpling in there now. So see? Yep, going in the pot. After I add my dumplings, I'm gonna stir so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Yep. She actually wants some water now. Yeah. Actually wants some water now. Peeling of the banana time. Going to oil my hands. Coming on the banana stain take over me. Pause.
Start.
Pause. I'm going to add in the pot so the banana don't stain the dumpling. So I'm adding my bananas now. Yep. Whoa. So I'm gonna cover my pot now and let it cook. So that's my chicken. I'm gonna add my carrot and my Irish to the pot. That's my carrot and my Irish to the pot. Sesame brown through, yeah. I'll go down. Yes, looking good. So I'm gonna add my ketchup right now. Okay, that go down. So yeah.